Well, hello you guys. Welcome to Think Free Out Loud with your girl Vanessa. Today is Monday, and as we do on our Mondays, we first start off with stuffing our mini envelopes, and we roll the dice. Everybody gets 2 whenever they win their number. So that's what we do today, and then I have some brand new challenges, and I'm joining along with a collaboration, so we have a lot to get into today. So I'm so excited. How is everybody? We've got 4. I hope everyone is doing amazing. I'm doing well so far. Been a little bit hectic these past couple weeks, just with school, you know, getting the kids ready for back to school, and that change in routine, like just trying to adjust from the summer, like laid back summer, to having to be like, oh, you've got to get ready for school, you've got to get up at a certain time, and then, you know, sports, and it's just, things get a little bit busier, you know. And for all of you who are parents, I'm pretty sure you know exactly what I mean. But so far, so good. We are up and rolling, and I am so excited. I have some very exciting developments. I am learning how to make my own savings challenges, because right now, I'm not a very creative person, but I usually get on there and I purchase all the savings challenges from everybody. Who, if I watch your channel, which I probably watch everybody's channel, I always try to get on there and order from people. So I am going to create a savings challenge my next go round, specifically to put money away to purchase challenges and games from other creators, because I do that a lot, and I would like to put money away specifically for that, right? So that's what I'm going to do when these are done. I'm going to pick an envelope and get a challenge specifically for supporting fellow creators. All right, let's get to the business of counting. And we must pick a color. What color will it be? Oh, what will it be? Let's go with black. Sorry, I was interrupted again. All right, so for number 1, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10. But yeah, so I got on Canva, and my older daughter kind of, like, you know, told me like how to create and whatever, and I'm still, it's a learning process, you guys. I just admire everybody that can make these challenges and make them so beautiful. All right, so we've got, these are 2 apiece. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, let's see how much we've got. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. The dog is meowing at the cat. I mean, the cat. My cat is meowing at the dog. I don't know if you can hear him. He's upset because she's looking to come in, and oh my gosh, they're like brother and sister arguing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He has this little toy that like crinkles, and whenever he plays with it, she, like, the crinkling sound makes her excited, and then she comes and she tries to take it away from him, and he tries to get it back from her, and they go back and forth. Okay, now I forgot what I just counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 again, okay. But yeah, it's something to watch. But he bullies her, you know, and she's a big, well, not a very big dog. She's a Mastiff Lab mix, but she's like, I feel like she's kind of afraid of him. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Because, yeah, he like puts her in her place. All right, 20, 31, 2, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay, I think I'm going to do some condensing immediately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because these are going to get so overstuffed if I don't condense. Gotta get it, keep it slim, you guys. But it's so funny watching the dynamic between the cat and the dog. All right, so here we have 6. All right, and oh, I wasn't telling you guys where these are from. I always forget to do that, you guys. This one here, the first one was from my daughter, Tabby. This is from Queen Dollar. Most of these are from Queen Dollar because they're all like the summer ones right now that I need to work on getting through. This is from Queen Dollar. We have, and these are 5 a piece, so I'm going to scratch off 1 5, and we'll take this extra one and tuck it away. And let's see what we have all together. So 25, so 30 basically. And I'm going to get rid of this and put a 5 in there. Okay, 30 bucks. It's from Queen Dollar. This is hefty, 105. I am so excited about these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. That one got a nice big chunk of change, you guys. And this is also from Queen Dollar, $18. These are 4 a piece. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16. Just need 4 more dollars, and this one is closed out. And that was 120 bucks. So, yes, sir. That is so exciting. I'm thrilled. Let's count it all up. Sorry, I'm trying to get them all in order. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well, that means we need 6 more dollars. That's not right. You guys, I'm tired of this happening every time to me. 80, 90, 100, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 110. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we're missing $6 somehow. I'm going to have to just put it in there because it should be 120. Let me make sure that I'm not crazy, you guys. 120 minus 114 is 6, but there's only $4 left. So we're, oh my gosh, they are chasing each other now. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I'm putting $2 in because we're missing $2, and now we're, at least it's correct. I don't know how we messed up, but somehow we did, and it's corrected. There's $116 in there currently. All right, this has $8. Oh, now she's snorting. You guys, it's getting serious. I might have to put her little butt outside. It's beautiful outside. And she might have to go out there just to chill. So these only takes 8. I don't know if you guys can hear it. He's screaming. Put this over here. Let's count it all up. 20, 40, 80, $95. Okay, now this one's wrong as well. What is going on, you guys? What did I do wrong? Because okay, look at that. It's saying we 10, 20, $30. We need $30. And it saves $100. So how do I have what I have? 40, 80, 95. I don't understand that. You know what? I'm not even going to try and figure it out. There's $95. I'm just going to cross off. What? And we need $5. Let me see something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 5 is 25 times 5 is 1. Oh, okay. So they're wrong. It should be 125, not 100, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, and each of them are worth $5. So there should be 125. And I have 95 here. So yeah, 40, 80, 95. So I need $30 more. Oh gosh, now I need to figure out how to erase this, because actually I do need $30 more, right? 10, 20, 30. So I need to erase what I just put. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I don't have $30. Oh good, it's coming off. Yay. Maybe. Is it gonna come off for me? I swear, guys. Ugh. Okay, now it's correct. That's from Queen Dollar. I wonder if this one was wrong as well. I wonder if that's why it was all messed up, because this one says it's 120. Let me just see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. So let's see. 5 times 6 is 30. Times 4 is 120. So that one is correct at least. I don't know. Oh well, you guys. At least it's correct now. Alright, on to number 6. Let's hope there's less drama in this one. We have 5 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. And this one here is from Creative Ink Scribbles. And these are $2 a piece, so that should be 2, 4, 6, 8. So we'll take 2 away and count it up. We have 10, 24, $24. And just for good measure, we'll count 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Times 2 is 24. So that matches, and we've got one closed out. One closed out. All right. So that's awesome, you guys. Okay, let's find one to replace. I'll try and find another summery one. Let's try this one from the Humble Budgeter. That's cute, isn't it? Okay, I'm trying to use up all the summery ones because fall is quickly approaching. So right here we have an extra $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. Let's see if there's anything that needs $6 to close out. Otherwise, I'll try and use it in another game. So this one for my daughter needs $4 to close out. This one needs $6, 246 to close out. And this one, oh, the one that needs $4 to save 120, you guys. Let's do it. Let's close that one out. Let's do it, you guys. Remember the one we just made a big fuss about? Needing an extra $4? Guys. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's shut the door on this one. Oh my gosh, am I excited. After all that fuss, boom. She done, guys, she done. She is done. And for good measure, let's count and see if we get 120 as it says. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 120, baby girl. All right, guys. Let's put that together. I am so excited. All right. Oh, try to get it in there. It's so fat. So these two are done. Let me put, this one was $24. All right. And let's stuff it in here. The completed ones. Okay. Guys, let's find another summery one to put in there. Let's see what we've got. Well, they're all kind of, let's replace it with another one from Creative Ink Scribbles. Where did I get it from? That's done, that's done. Cute. All right, savings challenges are done for the week. And we closed out 2 of them. Yay! So now let's do this one, you guys. This is the last, which is so hard to believe. But for August, we are done, you guys. These are the last 2. And let's scratch it off. Oh gosh. This is a 5. And this is 3. 5 and 3. This saves $25 altogether. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. There was 154. And we're putting 8 in there, so there should be, so we got all together here. I'm sorry, there was 254. So it should be 262 altogether. So 2, 40, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Okay. And today is what, 8? Is it the 20? I don't even know what today is, guys. I don't know what it is. It's Monday the is it 23rd, I think? I don't know. Plus 8, 262. Alright. right, let's stuff it in there. Okay guys, that one's done. August is finished. So next we're on to September. That's gonna be so cute. Sammy the Fox. This is just something I found on Amazon. Alright you guys, so this is the collab. I think I came on last week and told you guys about this collaboration. It's with Steph's on a Budget is the host, and there's 12 other girls. I am not one of them. I'm just playing along. But these are the 12 girls that are doing it with her. Steph's on a Budget is the host. They're Safe with Glow, Budgeting with a Ginger, Budgeting with Lysandra, Becca Budgets, North Country Cash Queen, Pink Plum Budgeting, The Dramatic Panda, Claudia's Creations, Floating Fund, Mum Life Budget Life, Bookish Mama Budgets. So I am just saving along with my girlies. So the way I play it, everybody seems to play it a little bit differently. I've watched some of the girls play it, and I think we can kind of do it the way, however we like. The way I'm doing it is I am using Steph's on a Budget's got these little coins. These. Okay? Because I want to be able to give everybody a little bit of money, and I don't have a lot of money. So I'm using the coins so that everybody gets a little bit. And I have $17 worth of coins, which is these $17. And everybody gets a little piece of the $17. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to roll the dice, and whatever, I don't know, because some of them are a little bit different. You know, like I would like to do it to where whatever you roll the dice on, they get that many coins. Whoa. I guess we'll see. We'll see as it goes. And let's find another dice, because you have to, the way you play it is as you go along, once you hit this trick or treat symbol, you roll the dice and it tells you who you're going to play next, which collaborator. So let me find a 12-sided dice, because that's going to determine where we go next. Okay? Alright, so let's roll it and see who goes first. Oh, actually, you know what? That's not how I'm going to play it. That's not how I'm going to play it. I'm going to play it as whenever I get to the trick or treat symbol, I'm going to go to the next one, but I'm going to play it in order. That way I know everybody gets a shot at it. I'm just going to play it right from 1 through 12 in order. I'm not going to roll the dice. I know that's how they're supposed to, how they want us to do it, but that's not how I'm going to do it. I'm going to start off here with Steph's on a Budget, and then whoever I leave off on, I'll just leave a clip there, and that's where I'll start next time I play. Okay, and I'm not going to use this dice. We're going to use the 3-4-sided. Okay, that's how we're doing it, you guys. Alright, so we got a 1. Boom. A 3. So 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2. Trick or treat. That means it's time to move to the next one. And the next one is Budgeting with a Ginger. Oh, that's so cute. With Pooh Bear, Winnie the Pooh, Piglet. You're so cute. Okay. Oops, let's roll. We've got 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And like I said, you guys, I am hoping 1, 2. It says roll a d6. I don't know if I really want to do this, but we'll do it. We'll just play along. Got a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Trick or treat. It's time to move on to the next one. So we go to this one. North Country Cash Queen. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Trick or treat. On to the next one. On to the next. And this one is Trick or Treat. This is from the Dramatic Panda. So adorable. These are all Disney characters. So cute. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one doesn't have like a number. So I'm just going to do, let me see, there's a heart. I don't know what to do with these symbols, like to make them mean certain things. I don't know. I'm going to just do 2, okay? Each of these are just going to be 2 because I don't know. 1. I don't know what else to do. 1, 2. Trick or treat. On to the next. This one is from Becca Budget 777. 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, I only have 2 left. Is this 2 left? 1, 2. I have 1 left. 3. Okay, well, we're out. I only have 1 left. I guess I'll give it to her. We'll give it to her. Okay, now let's add up what we've got. We'll just start here. But anyway, sorry guys, I feel so fragmented. I was saying that I learned how to make my own timies last night. And, oh, I didn't even show you guys what I made. This. Fall Dreaming. And I made that off Canva, you guys. Isn't that so cute? So I'm going to work on learning how to make my own little cash stuffings, minis and tinies. But that is a work in progress, and I'm also going to put mine on my Ko-fi for free. Obviously, I'm not going to charge for those, but that way they'll be there in case anybody sees them and wants them. You can order them off my little coffee. So over here, this is Becca's Budget 777, and actually I should have been scratching off when I landed on one of the symbols. That's what I should have been doing, but I didn't do that, so that's just too bad. And I'm going to make each of these symbols worth 50 cents a piece. Okay? So we got 25 and 25, 50. I hope this is showing up on my camera. I can't see very well. Oh dear. Let's see. Okay. 50, 25, 50. Alright, and the way I'm doing it is if there's extras, we're just not going to count it. You don't get, there's just not going to get credit for it. So for this one, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. So this is 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. Basically, it's $2.50 is what they're getting. $2.50. This extra 25, they just don't get that because I don't know how else to make. I was thinking of making them each worth 25 cents, but I feel like the game would be over too fast that way. And then I was going to make them each $1 a piece, but I feel like that's just too much money because I'm a little strapped for cash. So 50 cents seems like the middle lane that would work. So this one's got $3. Alright, and this is the Dramatic Panda. We're gonna do $1, $2, $3. Oh my gosh, these cat and dog, like when they say fighting like cats and dogs, now I understand what it means because these two are going at it. I think he's bothering her, like annoying her, because he keeps meowing. And like, I don't know. She's old. My dog She's very elderly, and I think she's getting a little short-tempered with it all. You know, she used to be so laid back, but anyway, we've got $3.50 is what this one's going to get. So we've got $1, $2, $3.50. This is from North Country Cash. Queen. My daughter just got up to feed him, so maybe he'll stop squealing. All right. This one is from Budget with a Ginger. We've got $1, $2, $3, $4. Wow, this one got a lot. $5, $6.50. Golly gee, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6.50. $6.50. That's a lot of money. This one really packed away the moolah, guys. So we've got $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6.50. That's a lot of money. Okay. And last but not least, Steph's on a budget got 75 cents. So she basically just gets 50 cents, which is one bat. Okay. So that is all done. Let's put this away. And this is the $17 that goes for this game. Oh, you know what? Let's see. Is it back here? No. So I'll put the money in here for now. I'll figure out a better spot later. This is $17, and each week it will get 17 bucks. So you guys can play along as well. This is with Steph's on a budget, and there's 12 girls in there. So much fun. All right. This is the last thing that we're doing, and then we're signing off. Let me see how much time. Oh my God, we're at 34 minutes. Oof. Okay. So this is Savings Challenge. I got this from Saving More Today shop online. You roll and save for coffee. And I have the money already over here, ready to go. So I like coffee, so I'm gonna roll for it. Oh, let's see, was it already open? Maybe it was. It came with these little dice already. Isn't that cute? Okay, so these are really heavy numbers, so I'm not going to be able to play a lot. This thing's going to be, it's going to take me 5 years to finish this because they're pretty big challenges. Let me take these out. 6 and 2, and the way this works, you can roll a dice and say, you can do, like, for example, they say 3 and 5 with the dice, you'll save 8. You can color in 2 and 6 or 4 and 4, yada, yada, yada. I'm just going to color in what I have. I got a 6 and a 2. 6 and 2. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think I'm gonna do one more here. 4 and 1 is 6. So 5, 6, and we'll do 4 and 1. Maybe I'll just cross it out next time instead of scribbling it. All right, and then we'll go over here, roll the dice again, and you save at the cross section. 3 and 3, 3 and 3 is here. It's this cup, which is $2. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of hard with the glare and everything. But it's this one, okay? Okay. All right. And the last one is the scratch and save. Get my scratcher ready and roll the dice again. I got 1 and 4. 1 and 4. It's right here. It's a 10. Save 10, you guys. Jeez, I'm telling you. See, this one saves $400 on this page. So it's going to be a pretty heavy hitting. So $10. I'm done. Done. Okay, yeah. I don't have that kind of cash. Okay. So for coffee, we've got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, there's more money. 19, 20, 21. So there's 26 bucks been saved so far for coffee. Which reminds me, I have not had any coffee today. I need to get some coffee. I didn't get any coffee today, which is unusual. Usually, well, I didn't go out. That's probably why. I didn't really go anywhere. I mean, I did meet with my mom. She had to drop some things off for me with my daughter, but I didn't really do much today. Oh, you know what? Let me put this in here. All right, you guys. Thank you for being with me on this magical mini Monday stuffing day. I will see you tomorrow for Tuesday's tiny stuffings, and then I'm going to go over my budget. Go over my budget with you guys and show you some new games. I'll show you some new things that I created on my Canva and some other oh, and then I'll go over, you see how stuffed this is. Oh, here's my girl, my dog barking. She is all riled up. Anyway, we're going to allocate the funds. All right, thank you for being with me. Bye-bye.